It was very upsetting when attacks on a former Chief Justice started and he did not want to continue with the commission. And when such attacks comes from amongst ourselves, it's not good. Didn't even let it convene. This, if somebody can impose their will upon this court, that is also interference. Interference can be from within, can be from without, can be from intelligence agencies, can be from your colleagues, can be from your family members, can be from social media, can be from everybody else. We will demonstrate by conduct with interference there is or is not. A judge's judgment and order shows, speaks, shouts how much interference there is or there isn't, how much independence there is or there isn't. So we don't take this matter seriously. Everyone may have a different approach to doing things. As we have ushered in, and I'm not responsible for the history of the Supreme Court, I'm only responsible for the day I became Chief Justice. I have gone ahead with an inclusive approach. First and foremost was the full court meeting, which had not been held for years. Is that not independence of the judiciary? Is that not undermining this institution from within? Do we have to look from outside? Then there was what we did not do. I'm grateful to the house next door, Parliament. They enacted the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023 because we had failed. They corrected us. That was attack was launched on that. So there can be no doubt, that there be no doubt in anyone's mind that we will safeguard the independence of the judiciary, come what may. But to hold those before you as responsible for the deeds of those who earlier may have sat in this court would not be fair unless we endorse them. We have also shown that when this court thinks that there have been wrong done in the past, we've rectified that. That has not really happened in the past. That is, things do not change overnight, they take time. And if we should work together to bring about this change. That's the important thing. Not just cast attacks from within, from outside. We come up with proposals, do this. Excellent, thank you. I'll certainly consider it, we may act on it. But don't try to pull us this way or pull us that way, because that is also undermining the independence of the judiciary. We had, on the very first date, convened and asked for, passed an order and had called upon each of the higher courts to give their proposals, and we had also called upon the Pakistan Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association. Now I believe there are a lot of persons who want to become parties. We'll certainly consider those, but anyone wants to make a positive contribution, they may do so. Whether they are a party or not doesn't really matter. The matter is how we proceed further. So, Attorney General, have you read the recommendations or suggestions, whether we call it recommendations or suggestions or proposals that have been received from the High Courts?
Well, I have not. High Court, I have not read the proposals.
Are they publicly available?
I haven't.
Learned Attorney General,
they were filed directly.
It's not just proposals, it's a charge sheet. Each High Court has a charge sheet.
इसको आप पढ़ते हैं जरा. Let's start with each of them. ये हमारे पास हैं.
I don't have that.
I don't know because
they are all with us. Yes,
with you, but I think they were not with the office, so we could not get a copy.
मेरे पास हैं उनके लिए. Because I don't know if they were sent, were they open or not. But nowadays
they were sent directly.
But nowadays everybody is talking about it in media, so might as well make them open. एक सेट इनको दीजिए. ओरिजिनल है तो ओरिजिनल दे दें इनको. Let's start with the Islamabad High Court.
I know. All of them? I know. I've just been provided the recommendations by the Islamabad High Court.
You have?
I've just gotten them.
This is CMA 3612 of 2024.
Ji.
Learned Attorney General, is it unanimous? Unanimous?
पढ़िए जी.
Is it unanimous?
Yes.
I believe so.
He's just got
I believe so, yes, sir.
Anyone
No.
objected to the letter that was sent?
I suppose no, sir.
Let's read them.
In the matter of letter dated 25th March 2024 of the 6 judges of the Islamabad High
वो छोड़े ना,
Ji.
come to the, I'm direct.
I am directed to say that the Honorable Chief Justice and judges in full court meeting have been pleased to propose as following. 1. The independence of judiciary is a constitutional imperative which is to be ensured in letter and spirit by every organ of the state. In the wake of the recent events, it was resolved that a mechanism will be put in place through which members of the district judiciary may lodge a complaint regarding intimidation and or interference with judicial work to the Islamabad High Court or either the respective district judge and or the inspection judge, who shall either forward the complaint or reduce the same in writing and place the same for consideration by the administration committee. The appropriate remedial action is to be taken in accordance with the decision of the administration committee. The timeline for lodging a complaint shall be 7 days from the date of the incident. 2. The decision be taken by the administration committee where interference with judicial work is alleged to a person not in the service of Pakistan. Appropriate criminal proceedings may be instituted. Where, however, interference is by a person in the service of Pakistan or in the service of any government-controlled organization, the administration committee may decide either to lodge a formal complaint to the head of the division, organization, or to institute proceedings for contempt of court as the case may be. That High Court shall make rules in exercise of the powers conferred by Article 204(3) of the Constitution to ensure independence of the judiciary and to devise a mechanism for taking stringent action against all those who interfere with judicial work or malign members of the judiciary. 4. That it shall be mandatory for every judicial officer to report interference in judicial work, whether through intimidation or otherwise, to the High Court, through the district judge and or inspection judge within 7 days, and failure in this regard may amount to misconduct.